this is going to be at the beginning, so it's going to look like an intro to you guys, but I'm filming this after I filmed other parts of the vlog. So, hello. End of the school year is approaching. Today it is Wednesday, and then our school ends on Friday. So, whenever you're seeing this, it will not be those days. But it is currently Wednesday, and I've filmed throughout today, but you're going to see that here in a second. So, welcome to the vlog. I'm just going to take you along my journey. This is the first, end of the school year I've had in high school ever, so that's going to be very interesting It's already been kind of interesting this last week. We haven't really been doing a lot, but tomorrow and Friday are definitely going to be, very big what's going on days. This is going to... We turn in our technology tomorrow, so... Yeah. Get ready for some epic vlog content, so... See ya in the video, so... We are currently at the Mason Jar, waiting for food. I'm here with, there's Mika, and then there's Tanaya. I got French toast, she got avocado toast, and she didn't get any kind of toast, she got bagels.
I'm gonna share there was no video submissions.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
It's Tyler.
Just filming. We're going to cross country.
We're gonna pump some on.
Yeah.
Did you film the cake?
I have filmed the cake, yeah.
Did you show your messy made?
No. We're gonna act like I never make messes ever.
You're just that perfect YouTuber.
Yeah, I edit everything out all the time. Why would I? This is not real life. I'm a YouTuber, I don't make mistakes. This is our new theater. Look how cool it is.
This whole area is so nice.
Comic Sans.
I still haven't seen the new theater besides the pictures.
We are outside in the wilderness. I am now doing my post-cross country routine of laying down and feeling worse by the minute because I'm so gross and sweaty. As you can see, this is a lot of fun. I just noticed that this much of my hair is out of my ponytail, which is always a fun thing to figure out. How? It is now morning. I have gotten ready, and someone from my class, she had texted me and she was like, hey, so a couple of us are dressing up as frat guys. Would you like to join? And I was like, sure. So now I'm really steady with the camera, obviously. So I am dressed up as a frat guy. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show you the full fit. So I got the shorts, the shirt, the hat, the socks and sandals. I don't know how well you can see that. There you go. I'll do that. So I am ready to frat. So yeah, now I'm about to make breakfast, and that's about all the exciting stuff that's happened so far. So.
Primates, making them a window, though a blurry one, into our ancient past.
Of right now.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. I've made a costume change and a hair change. I took my brother to his 8th grade graduation thing. They had a drive-through, and we decorated our truck, and that embarrassed him a lot, so that was a fun experience. And now I am making cards for my teachers. I got these at Target. They say thanks a bunch, and I thought that was really funny. So I'm writing them, and I'm now putting them in the envelopes. So yeah, probably not gonna vlog again until tomorrow, and you guys may not even be seeing this. I might just do a tomorrow vlog, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I ordered stuff for some of my teachers on Amazon, and I'm hoping that'll get here before school tomorrow because it says it'll show up tomorrow. So just really hoping that shows up in time. Otherwise, I guess I'm just gonna make food for them because that is always my fallback. So yep. Hi, this is editing Nia here. I realized while I was editing that I never explained the beginning of the next day, so let's just I have parts of video that don't make any sense without context. So basically what happened is that the gifts did not get there, so I was trying to make these brownie bars, but then through an unfortunate circumstance our oven I kind of lit them on fire. So I promise I can bake. it was just not a good thing. So I had to whip together some cookies and stuff, and I didn't have time to vlog. So basically it'll jump to like being at school. So yep, that's editor Nia signing off. Adios. We're in the school. It's the last day. There's very few people in all the classes, so now we're just kind of in the German classroom. And it's the French, Germans, and the Spanish people. Are you ready for these categories?
Yeah.
Okay, did everybody number 1 to 12? No.
Warm out, grab some popsicles. Mrs. Delco will be out front with her cart. Feel free to grab those. Please take care of your trash. That's all that we ask in regards to that.
We're free! The bell just rang and the school year is over. I'm a junior now and I don't know how to feel about that part. We're juniors.
You could call
How do you
me
feel?
running with
How
that.
do you feel about that?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, how do we all feel? It's the end of school year.
Depressed.
She's a high school dropout, so she's...
Yeah.
What? You want... Oh, yeah. Hello again. I am home. I hung out in the parking lot for a little while. I don't know if I filmed some of that. Maybe. Anywho, now I'm home and the festivities continue because I have a meeting at 3 o'clock that I'm going to have to do. Yeah, it feels very strange to think that I'm a junior now. I don't like that. Not a lot. Don't feel like I should be an upperclassman yet. I still kind of feel like I have the mindset of a freshman because I never really had a full freshman year. Just kind of felt like this year is an extension of freshman year. So I guess we'll just see how it goes at the beginning of next year and see if I actually feel like an adult, a junior, and see how that goes. So yeah, time to head on inside. Well, hello. This is not my house. I am currently cat sitting, and the cats are, meandering and such. So yeah, that was pretty much last day of school. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and like and comment, all the YouTube-y things. And I'm gonna go watch Legally Blonde now. So adios and see you in the next one.